If you sell products or services, dealing with sales tax or VAT is usually unavoidable. Setting it up correctly in QuickBooks Online right from the start will save you a massive headache when tax season rolls around. Let me show you exactly how to get it done. From your main dashboard, look over at the left-hand menu and click on All Apps. Depending on where your business is located, this menu might specifically say Sales Tax or VAT, and then click Overview. If this is your first time opening this page, you will see a prompt to set things up. Click the green Get Started or Set Up Tax button. QuickBooks is pretty smart and will tailor the next steps based on your company's address. Now, you just need to tell QuickBooks a few key details. You will choose your tax agency, enter your tax registration number, and select how often you have to file your returns, like monthly or quarterly. Just match this info to the official paperwork you received from your local government. Once everything looks correct, hit Save. Your tax center is now completely active. QuickBooks will calculate and track exactly what you owe behind the scenes every time you record a sale. One quick pro tip before we wrap up. Make sure to go back to your products and services list and check that your items are actually marked as taxable. If they aren't, QuickBooks won't know to add the tax to your invoices. See you in the next tutorial.